No. Dude, I know where we're at.
Where? We're at Shirley's, right?
Have some water.
No.
That's what he said. We're going to
You want to
Shirley's.
stay drunk, huh?
Shirley's, yeah.
Then how do you...
What?
Never mind.
Stop.
What, Jeremy? What?
I don't
That's
remember.
not funny anymore.
I don't remember.
Keith is teasing me.
It's okay, I got 2 battles.
And what are you saying about Grace?
Oh my God,
the
do
sea
not do
monster?
that to me.
Yeah, you can tease her about that.
Are you biting me? I'm gonna bite you back.
There's a camera. Oh my god.
Jeremy, how you feeling?
Keith, can I drive to your house?
Wanna make love in this club.
How again? Jeremy, what club are we
We
at?
should do that dance that they all were freaking doing on the dance floor.
Jeremy, what club are we
What
at?
was that, the 2-step?
The Cupid Shuffle.
Not that one. They're like doing like the electric slide, but different. Two.
Oh yeah.
Not that one.
Not that one. Oh,
It was two. It was two.
I love that song.
Bring 'em Out by T.I.
Oh yeah, I know.
I don't know, but it looked
They were
cool.
doing it last time.
And
It
I was trying
really
to do
cool.
it, but then I kept getting pushed because he's fucking
Keith's a little bit
fat
tired.
No, bitch.
Keith,
Aren't you, Keith?
Dude,
We,
yeah, I'm tired.
Kellen, wasn't it me, you, and these?
Oh my
And
lord.
Keith fell asleep at like Rotary Sushi in Australia.
Yeah.
And like he woke up and started grabbing everything. Do you remember it was us four? It was.
Leave, share with us what's so funny, please.
Let's play Gunbound, AJ. I don't play Gunbound.
You know, I think, ouch, Keith, it fucking, oh, Jeremy, hey.
F-word.
Jeremy, oh man.
You know what, Leave?
Have you ever
I
seen
think
it?
it's that bullet in your leg that makes you, like, gun happy.
Oh my god, I totally
I think
forgot
Dude,
about
we
that.
should totally kill something.
Dude, you got shot, right? Remember that shit? That shit was funny, bro.
That was nice, Jer. I'm not drunk.
Did you beep in the airport?